Hey everyone, welcome to Noltech. Today I'll show you how to disable Snapchat Spotlight notifications in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land on the camera screen. Now, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in settings, scroll down to the My Account section and select Notifications. In the Notifications menu, scroll down until you find Post to Spotlight and Snap Map. Simply toggle this off. This will stop those occasional notifications about your Spotlight submissions. Now, if you want to reduce Spotlight content altogether, go back to the main camera screen. Tap the Spotlight icon in the bottom right corner. Open any Spotlight story, tap the three dots, and select Not Interested. Snapchat will show you less similar content. Repeat this for multiple stories to further customize your feed. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Snapchat Spotlight notifications and reduced Spotlight content. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Noltech for more quick tutorials.